say follow your own heart, it will never lead you astray. Some say chase your own dreams, that's all that matters anyway. Well, I've been there, done that, tried that, lived that way like it was all for me. And I came back, found out truth is, turns out to get me where I'm meant to be. I gotta follow your heart, if anything is gonna count in this life. I gotta follow your heart, if I'm ever gonna make a mark on eternity. So let heaven's heartbeat always move me. Let my only prayer be to follow your heart. Help me follow your heart. I don't need a second opinion. You just say the word, I'll go. And I don't need any convincing to walk along a narrow road. 'Cause I'm all in, sold out, can't turn back now. These are more than empty words. For the things that I want, I trust you, God. I'll just keep the first thing first. I gotta follow your heart, if anything is gonna count in this life. I gotta follow your heart, if I'm ever gonna make a mark on eternity. So let heaven's heartbeat always move me. Let my only prayer be your heart. Help me follow your heart. Help me follow your heart. Help me follow your heart. Follow your heart.